I'm sitting here reminiscing how I was kissing, baby. I gave you top of the line, I know you miss it, baby. I got a line on my mind, why don't you visit, baby? If you can turn back the time, you would've listened, baby. You would've listened to the words, I swear. Your shit wouldn't be out on the curb, I swear.
My channel, I know it's been a minute. Well, not really. It's been a couple weeks, but I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be a hair review video. Sorry if I sound more mellow today. I'm actually kind of tired. Like, I've been working 10 days straight, so that's why I had to have another video out for you guys. But yeah, so we're gonna get into this review, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, like I said, today is gonna be a hair review. It's not gonna be a hair review on my head or anything, but my birthday is actually coming up, so I did a lot of research on YouTube. And when I say a lot of research, I did a lot of research on YouTube because I wanted to buy some bundles for my birthday. Now, before we get into this review, I want to say this video is 100% not sponsored. I spent my own hard-earned coins on this hair. This is gonna be the official unboxing of the hair. I get my hair done next week, and then after I have it in for a little bit, then I'm gonna come back and give my initial review on the actual hair. But yeah, I just wanted to put an unboxing out here before I just come back talking about some bundles that no one knew I ever had. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, so let's get into this unboxing. Okay guys, so I actually ordered hair from Ali Julia Hair on AliExpress. I did so much research on this hair that it is ridiculous. I probably did like a month and a half worth of looking up comments, looking at reviews, watching videos, watching how it's bleached, watching how this, watching how that. Honestly, I watched so many videos to a point where I just had tabs up of all Ali Julia hair, and I finally decided that I was going to choose them out of the other people. Now, I did look at some other companies, but it's not about them right now. It's all about Ali Julia hair. So, specs on this hair. I ordered this hair on July 6th, and the shipping and everything was great. It was fantastic. I got my hair on July 9th. I got it on that Monday, which was extremely fast, the company I dealt with, Mark, and he was very fast responsive. He let me know that the package was sent out. He let me know, hey, the post office is about to bring you your package. It was just great communication. That's number one thing. Shipping was very fast. I wasn't expecting it to get here that fast because, you know, they give you that timeline of how fast it should be here. And it got here on the 9th, and I was hella surprised. Which is definitely a check off in my book. It came in, I'm going to just show you this side because I had my address on it. It came on the USPS priority mail, you know, regular envelope or whatever. It came into the flat rate envelope, which it wasn't really that big. Now, let's get on to the hair. When you open up your package, sorry, you guys, you know I always sit on the floor. When you open up your package, it comes in this pink box. It says Ali Julia on the front. It's a really cute box. On the back, it also has guidance and rules like for the hair. Let me see. Let me make sure it focuses. So it has all this on the back. Okay. So on the front of the box it says Ali Julia 100% unprocessed hair. When you open up, it also has like, just dropping stuff out the box. It also has like, you know, when you sign for your package, please check it carefully. You know, it has different things on it. So when you open up the box, it comes with a packing list, but it has my name and my address on it, so I'm not going to show that. But it comes like this with eyelashes. I got 4 bundles and a 20-inch closure. I actually got the Peruvian straight hair. Yeah, I got the Peruvian straight hair. So this is how it came packaged. It came with the eyelashes. Um, and it came in like a little baggie like this. I got two 26s, a 22, a 24, and a 20-inch closure. This length right here is a 26. It comes with the inches. I don't know if it's gonna focus on the end here. Has a rubber band on the top. I'm just gonna take out this bundle to show you guys. Okay. So this is the 26-inch. These are the wefts. Being that this is a longer bundle, everyone knows that the weft for the longer bundle is always smaller. But the wefts look very nice. Let me see. I'm grabbing it actually pretty hard to see if I'm gonna get some shedding. I don't have any shedding. This hair is actually really, really soft. It doesn't have a smell. It smells like, it just smells like pack hair to me, honestly. It doesn't have any like particular smell. It's actually really flowy. The ends look, I don't know if you guys can see that. The ends look really nice to me. Yeah, the ends look really nice or whatever. So that's one of the 26s. Let's put that over there. Like I said, I got two 26s, a 24, and a 22. I'm going to show you guys the closure. I got a middle part closure from them. And once again, it comes in like a little baggie. I'm trying to take it out the package, but it's stuck in the package. Okay, let me be great. So this is the closure. The hairline actually looks really nice. I mean, it can be plucked some more, but the hairline actually looks really nice. Same thing. It doesn't have a smell. It just smells like pack hair. The ends on this is actually really great too. Yeah, so I will be getting my hair done on the 23rd. My birthday is actually on the 27th, so I wanted to get my hair done closer to my birthday. Sorry about the brown on the package, but yeah, I wanted to get my hair done closer to my birthday so it could be fresh or whatever, because I'm also going out of town for my birthday. All in all, as of right now, I'm very satisfied with Ali Julia hair. I definitely would recommend them. As far as like shipping goes, the hair doesn't have a smell. I'm not receiving any shedding. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I've already opened this box once and looked at all the bundles. None of them have given me any shedding when I'm like actually like raking my fingers through them. So yeah, but like I said, this is only an unboxing. When I get my hair done and I wear it for a little bit, I would definitely come back and give you guys an initial review on the hair, how it's holding up. Oh, one thing I did not mention is I paid about two something. I can't even remember. I know it was like two, in the two range for the hair. But like I said, it came with the 4 bundles and the closure all in the one package deal. I'm trying to think if I left anything off the list. I don't think I have, but if you guys definitely want to see me do the initial review, make sure you come back. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It helps me a lot in this big world of YouTube. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing me, welcome. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.
Make your woman want some more, nigga.